Yes, not managing much today in trade, quite muted is what we're seeing, 0.1% of decline for the Nifty 50. But one stock that is seeing a sharper decline today, that's Astral Limited. It's down almost 4%. Their numbers were not anything exciting in Q4. And overall, when you look at it, it was below the street estimate. But what is the outlook of the company going forward? We're joined by Hiranand Savlani, who is joining in from Astral right now. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in with us this morning on ET Now. And, let's start, if you could talk by some of the key drivers that are there for the pipe volumes. That's managed to see a growth this time. So what is the outlook for FY25 there as well?
So like pipe had delivered the excellent growth. Last year, we have delivered close to about 23% volume. Our original guidance was 15% volume growth. After the 6-month completion, that is H1, we revised our guidance to 20%. And actual delivery is close to about 23%. So I think we have given much higher than what we have guided to the street. And next year also, we are expecting that minimum 15 to 20% kind of volume will be there. And if the market condition will be good, then we may revise our guidance about 20% also, what exactly we did last year. So last year also 15 to 20 we revised. This year we can also revise upward based on the first half performance.
Morning. Now, what about the faucet and sanitary ware sector? Because that has shown quite a ramp up. Do you see this continuing?
I think the faucet and sanitary ware division has done an excellent job in the last quarter. We have close to about 24-25 crore rupees of quarter. So if I extrapolate that, then 100 crore will be easily doable in the next year. Our expectations are much more than that. So we are expecting at least minimum 125 to 150 crore kind of revenue next year.
Right. Your Hyderabad plant is expected to be operational by the end of June 2024, as we understand. What kind of impact do you see on your overall performance because of this?
So I think Hyderabad is going to contribute in a big way in the coming time because we are already having the market over there. And with the plant operational over there, the confidence of the dealer and distributor will increase substantially. And many products right now, distributors are buying from us. They are getting little costly because of the logistic cost. Because right now they are getting it either from our Gujarat plant or from the Hosur plant. Because everything we are not manufacturing at Hosur. So many products we are supporting from Ahmedabad location. So the logistic cost is very high to them. The moment plant will be operational over there, then logistic cost will come down substantially. So the competitiveness of our distributor and dealer will increase substantially. So that is going to give us the extra growth or extra market share in that geography.
And now, given that you're seeing a good growth in the infra verticals and the recent capacity increase that you all have made, what are your expectations from the segment in the near term?
I think infra division has given one of the best year in last 5 years to our company. So that is why we immediately increased the capacity close to about 4,000-5,000 metric ton. And we are also further planning to expand the capacity based on the first half performance. So next half, maybe we are increasing more capacity. So our expectation from the infra division is also very high because last year they have done an excellent job.
Okay. Let's also get in a sense as to what the outlook is because you have the plans to enter the O-PVC market. Can you elaborate on the opportunities? What is expected in terms of margin? What is expected in terms of revenue growth?
So the O-PVC is the new polymer, but that is going to replace the ductile iron pipe and which is having a very good market in India. So this is of course a new technology. So it will take some time to be acceptance in the market. But I think already few players are there in the market. So already market is established and the market opportunity will be very big. So we have started the journey. We already placed the machines order, which are going to come in the month of October. So once the response will be good, we can expand the further capacity next year.
Right. And how's your adhesive business growing? What's the margin outlook for this particular segment?
So adhesive has done a good job. If you see the adhesive business of India operation, I think consistently last 3 years, it has given close to about 20% growth in last 3 year CAGR. And margin wise also, it is consistently delivering us 15 to 16% kind of EBITDA margin. So it is going as per our plan. As far as the adhesive business of our UK is concerned, UK had given a little bit setback last year because their margin in the Q3 was eroded. It was a negative 3%. So now that is recovered in this quarter. This quarter they have delivered close to about 5.5% EBITDA margin and close to about 7-8% top line growth also. So we are expecting that the next year, full year, they are going to give us the double-digit growth in top line, as well as we are expecting minimum 10% kind of EBITDA margin from our UK operations also.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining in with us this morning on ET Now and talking to us about the outlook of the company going forward. But on that note,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.